Guys, today we are seeing a banana type cement semi-trailer. You can see the V shape, the white color tank looks like a banana, and the frame at the bottom is red color. Same as all the other trailers, we have the braking line, the blue or yellow color, and the red color. The red color is the supply line. It is always has the air pressure once you contact with the prime mover. The blue or the yellow color connection is the control line. So it would give the signal like a pressure when the driver press the braking button, give the signal to the rear for the braking. You can see here they are using the yellow line to work together with the blue color outside. So blue and yellow are control line. Red line is supply line. It always has pressure. So wherever you remove the connection with the prime mover, the red line, the trailer would brake itself because it has no longer to have pressure to push the braking spring off from those air chamber. Okay, so this is the kingpin plate, and that two things are landing gears, double-side operation. You can see the operation bars have each of them, and the gearbox all outside. And the red color here, you can see it's a frame of the trailer, and also the white color tank is holding the cement. This is a side protection, and here we always find the nameplate of the landing gear or spare parts, where they're made and how they need to be used before you operate it. The blue color is painted on the steel rim, and the rim is connecting the Fuhua axle, and the tire is Kunlun brand. You can see Kunlun brand. Leaf springs suspension. This is a suspension hanger. That is equalizer. So the equalizer is holding the leaf spring over there. The leaf spring is observing the shake of the tank during driving. We have a left and right hole here to check how the braking system, those valves, ABS, air reserve tank, leaf spring, U-bolt, braking drum, rim, tire, and TOCOM, braking chamber, slide adjuster, something like that. So you can see those things quite clear from here. There are electricity line. If we go to the other side, we can see the braking line from this one. And see, there's no braking line from here. Only the black color nylon tube to connecting the air reserve tank. Okay, so let's have a look about the pipe system of the cement tank. In the front, it has a air connection here. So once you have the air giving the pressure by those lines to the tank inside, you will have a 0.2 bar pressure inside. So it's quite dangerous at that time. If you are on top of the tank, do not touch anything of the manhole. Just get off it because it might explode. It goes in from here, passing a one-way direction valve. This is a one direction valve. The arrows show the direction. And those things are the safety valves, and to giving here, and here we have a meter. Then the air goes to here. If you open those two ball valves, then gives the pressure inside the tank. It has a small chamber over here, and also has another chamber at the rear. If the air also goes by this line, and then goes to here to the small chamber over there, giving the pressure here also. Those two chambers are connecting each other by those nylon hoses. So when those pressures vibrate the nylon hoses, it liquefies the cement inside, then the cement would discharge from here. And if you open the disc valve like this, then it will go out by this into any position you want to discharge. Okay, so if we go to the top, we might see the manhole. So let's go to the top and stop this video. On top of this tank, you can see we have two manholes here. This is one of the manhole, and that is another. So whenever you have pressure of the tank, I suggest anyone would leave the top of the tank anytime as quickly as they could, because the tank might explode and the manhole cover maybe fly like a cannon bullet. Very dangerous. Man die because of it. This is the hoisting point. You can put a hook there and by the crane, then you can lift the tank open. This is one part of it with a ball valve at the end, and another side is connecting the tank body. So whenever you try to work, you need to remain the pressure outside and inside. Otherwise, this tank might shrink like a water balloon. Here we have another hoisting point over here, and also a manhole here. Okay, there is a ladder. So whenever your trailer is contacting the prime mover, you can get out from that ladder. But if not, so you need to choose the front ladder. You need to choose the rear ladder. So you can step your foot on the tire to get off to the ground. Let me get on the glove. Try to get off. So when you want to get off, first you need to lower your body down and touch one of the bars, then put your foot over there. And then put another foot there. Here we go. Okay. Try to keep it safe all the time. Sometimes you need to use your two hands for safety. Then you can step on the tire like this and then get to the ground. Okay. Hope you guys learn how to get on the tank. That's quite easy actually. Alright, I think that would be all for today's video. If you like our channel, please subscribe or help us to click the like button at the bottom. See you guys next time. Bye. Have a nice day.